Hope Savara here with Mother Trucker Yoga. Mother Trucker Yoga, Mother Trucker Yoga, Mother Trucker Yoga. Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're having a fantastic day. It's not just Friday, it is Fitness Friday, so that means we are coming to you live, sharing some quick things that you can do right on the side of the road, right in the cab of your truck. Well, don't do it on the side of the road. In the truck stop, at home, wherever it is that you can, because it's all about helping you feel better wherever you are with small, simple changes. And today we are using the Good and Tight ratcheting handle. No, it's not a baseball bat. It's not a golf club. It's not a badminton. I'm trying to think. I don't really do sports that much. I'm going to show you a quick stretch that you can use with this bad boy. Huge shout out to Bud and Tony's Truck Parts. They are not only our Fitness Friday sponsor, but they gave us this bad boy to check out. My husband uses one of these whenever he's tightening down his tractors and forklifts and all sorts of fun stuff. But today, I'm not going to show you how to use it, but I'm going to show you how you can use it for a quick stretch. Now, I talk a lot about shoulder and neck health because this area here is often an area for many truck drivers or people that sit a lot. They get a lot of tightness, a lot of strain, a lot of restriction. And although it's easy to injure the shoulder, a lot of times it can feel like an injury due to lack of mobility. And so this area gets tight, it gets tense, it gets gunky, and the next thing we know, we can't move it the way we want to, we can't use it the way that we want to. If you are watching, drop it in the comment section, let me know where you're tuning in from. Where are you coming, where are you going, where is home? Let us know in the comment section below. Hello, 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 it is Fitness Friday. Hope Savara here with Mother Trucker Yoga. Okay, so we're talking about shoulders today. When we go about our day, here's a great thing to think about. When you wake up in the morning to the time you go to bed at night, how many times do you actually reach your arms up overhead? Once, twice, maybe 3 or 4 times. I've heard people say not at all. And the problem with that is when we reach our arm up overhead, we actually stretch tissue that's attached at our tailbone and travels all the way into our underarm. So when we reach our arm up overhead, we're actually stretching our back muscles, which is really important. But when we reach our arm up overhead, we are releasing all of the tissues in that rib cage and underarm area. And the less we lift our arms, the more it's almost like a calcified bat wing, that it's really hard to get the arm up any higher, and then we feel like, oh, I must have injured my shoulder or I slept funny, but really it's we're not moving our arms enough during the day. So I know it seems simple, almost silly, but it's these tiny little things during the day, and when we don't do them accumulatively, days go by, weeks go by, months go by, years go by, and then we wonder what happened. Like, how did I get this injury? Why does this hurt all the time? And sometimes it's not what we've been doing, but rather what we haven't been doing. And moving our arms, lifting our arms up overhead. Remember when you were a kid, you hung on the monkey bars? Well, that stretched and released what's called fascia in your shoulders, and it's what kind of sticks everything together like glue. And when you move your arm, stretch it up, over to the side, do a few circles. I know these seem kind of elementary, but it's these moves like this that make a big difference. And so I want to show you a quick way you can double down with the Good and Tight ratcheting strap handle. Yes, I like to multi-purpose things, okay? I don't believe you have to buy fancy equipment. I believe using what you have. So you're going to use this bad boy, and you're going to grab on, okay? Grab onto the ends however you want to. It doesn't matter, okay? You're going to grab onto the ends and keep your arms straight. You're not going to bend your elbows at all, okay? You're going to keep your arms straight, up at shoulder height, and move your arms as far one direction as you can without bending your elbows, either elbow. And what you're going to feel, look at this pointer now, you're going to feel a really good stretch between your shoulders. There's a muscle there called the rhomboids, and that muscle is like a rectangle square muscle and attaches on the insides of your shoulder blades. That gets super tight and gunky when we don't move our arms in like big movements throughout the day, and that gets really, really angry and really annoyed, okay? So now we're gonna go this way as far as we can go. So you can see that I'm going as far as I can go. It's a really big stretch. And then we're gonna do the same thing the other way. And what you'll notice is that one direction is usually easier You can go farther, it's less restrictive. As far as I can go without bending my elbows, and then back to center. Then you're gonna bring the arms up without pushing your ribs out. You're gonna come up and go as far back as you can. Now you're gonna probably feel more of that stretch through here, like a pulley, sometimes a ribby feeling. That's the fascia, that's not muscle, so don't freak out about that. That's because you're not lifting your arms up enough during the day. That's why you feel that. So you're gonna go up, 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 up as high as you can, and then back as far as you can without bending your elbows. Okay, so back and up as far as you can without bending your elbows and without pushing your rib cage out. So you'll notice that restriction right away. And you're gonna try to hold that. I'm gonna try to hold that for a couple of breaths. It's these tiny little movements that add up through the day, that add up day after day, that's gonna help you stay mobile, stay happy, and stay healthy. The last thing that anybody needs is an injury. And the last thing that anybody needs is an injury that could have been prevented from tiny little movements just like this. Nobody is exempt from that. Nobody is above that. The best way to keep our bodies happy and healthy is not with crazy exercises. It's not with crazy push-ups or sit-ups or running or whatever it is. All those things are great. But if you're not even taking time to do the little things, those big things actually may end up being what causes you injury, and I don't want that to happen. Hey, Andrew. More of this with the OTR with the sleepers. Absolutely. I can definitely bring you some more exercises for that as well. Gwen, hello, hello, hello. Okay, so here's the deal. If you don't have one of these guys, you can grab one at BudandTony'sTruckParts.com, or you can go over to the Good and Tight website and you can pick up one for yourself. If you don't have one of these at all, just find something, okay, that's not going to bend that you can grab onto, so that when you move your arms one direction, okay, and then move your arms the other direction, it's enough for you to grab onto that's not going to bend for you. Because the key is we want to create mobility in the scapula, okay, in the scapula, which kind of creates or doesn't create mobility in the shoulder. It's all connected, it's all gunked up. So these are the small movements that you and I are going to start to do every single day to help keep our body happy and healthy. And today, it's about the shoulders. Tomorrow, who knows? All right, most importantly, big shout out to Bud and Tony's Truck Parts. Again, they are a Fitness Friday sponsor. It's companies just like theirs that help make stuff like this possible. They not only have everything for your trucks, you guys, they give back every single month to various charities, trucker charities, charities that are near and dear to their heart. Like, they are all about giving back. So the more that you support them, the more that they go back and support other people. And again, get your Good and Tight handle. You can go to their website or BudandTony'sParts.com. Most importantly, share out this broadcast, let other truck drivers know that there are things that they can do, small, simple changes that they can make that can lead to the big results that they're looking for. I will drop the link in the comment section here that you can head over to our website, check out the blog for more movements with this little guy here, and help you stay happy and healthy. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. I got to get going. I hope you have a fantastic night, and I will see you tomorrow for Stretch It Out Saturday. Bye.